100 over the course of 7 years. I would say the bigger ones for 7+ years.
You gotta be kidding me. You're in a truck that's labeled and you just pulled that stupid stunt?
Overreacted, but I saw it when we did the 12-hour stream.
Fucking insane!
The pizza.
Shit, you saw it in 12 minutes, yeah, boy, when you get hit. Bring me the bullshit on the sun. What's this going on? How about this? Got mad at that puppet. He got mad at that puppet. Took it out on me. I didn't do nothing.
Took it out on his stomach.
Mia came. I'd rather starve than be happy. He's pacing the hall and shit, smoking a cigarette, even hair. Mia came up with you in the hallway. She said, "Chris, are you okay?" I'm fine. Chris, don't you want to eat? It's like she was actually being real nice. She's like, "Don't you want to eat?" Nah, I'm not hungry.
Maybe well, it's gonna be cold by then. Yeah, so it's fine.
That's how I prefer it, cold and lifeless. You go ahead and eat. I'm not hungry. She even came in. Smoked my cigarette. She's like, "What's wrong with you?"
Push it back and put it that way? Thank you. Okay.
Hey, are you all right? They're out of the car. Hey, hold still, man. Do me a favor. Turn off your car if you can. I can't. It's the Hall Johnson exit. Hall Johnson exit. You heard? You heard? How many people in the vehicle? Just one. Hey, can you reach that key? There we go. I think it's off. I just saw that. Okay, there it is. You know where you're at right now? Where are you?
I can feel the wheel going. It's not normal.
Wanna step out? It is zero. Look, he's shaking too. Look, cardboard.
He's shaking? What's the speed limit here?
55.
Us? That guy passed us up. That guy just passed us up. That guy just passed us up. Why are you pulling me over? I wasn't doing 70.
You were way back there.
That guy just passed me up.
Okay. Well, I gotta give it 70 miles an hour.
It wasn't me, it was that guy. I'm telling you right now.
License, registration,
I do,
insurance,
yeah. Why? You let that guy go, he just passed us
Okay. You
up.
were passing back there, okay?
No, we
Back
weren't
there
passing.
when I was sitting on the side of the road, I'm not gonna argue with you, all right? Give me your license, registration,
There you
insurance.
go. We weren't driving that fast. I've
You
got it on
weren't?
video. I've got it
Okay.
on video right here.